In this video, I will be showing you exactly how to use GoHighLevel for reputation management so that you can get as many 5-star reviews from your customers as possible. And I will show you how you can fully automate this and how you can just set this up using GoHighLevel. Now, it's very important to have great reviews for your business because many people, of course, look for the reviews to see, for example, if it's a restaurant, then they will look at the best reviews and they will go there most of the time. So it's important to set this up, and I'll show you how you can actually do this. So first you'll need to have a GoHighLevel account. You can do this in any of their packages, so the starter, so the $97 or the $297 per month plan, it's all possible. Now if you don't have a GoHighLevel account, I'll leave my affiliate link down in the description, and if you sign up through that link you will get a 14-day free trial and it's of no additional cost to you. So I would really appreciate it if you do click on that link down in the description to create your GoHighLevel account. Then after creating your account you will get to your agency dashboard, and if you haven't set up any sub accounts yet, then you just want to head over to sub accounts here and then click add sub account. So your sub accounts are basically the businesses that you manage. So this could be your own business or this could be your clients. Now for example, I've got this one right here, so you want to click right here, click here to switch, and then switch over to the sub account or the business that you want to set the reputation management up for. So for example, I'll do this one, and then here over at the left you will then see reputation. Now there's one thing that we are going to do first, which is to go to contacts here, because we need to have contacts to actually send review requests. So in order to add in your contacts, just click on import contacts right here. And then here you can bulk upload your contacts, so you can simply upload a file. So you probably have some kind of a file with your previous customers' emails and names, and that's the exact file you want to upload right here. However, if you don't have that, then you can always just collect emails and contacts through your funnels in the side section right here, or you could go to plus here to manually add in any contacts that you want to request reviews from. So make sure that you have at least a couple of contacts here. I'll just add one for this example. So I've now created this contact right here, and now once you have one or multiple contacts you can head over to reputation here, and now here you will see your reputation overview. So right here you will see the invites goal, the reviews that you have received, the sentiments, so the amount of positive and negative reviews, and the average rating right here. Then you will also see some trends right here, but that will become more interesting when you have been using this for a while. Now you can switch in between how long the time frame is right here, but right here you can now click send review request. So basically here you will see your contacts. So if you click on this drop down you will see all of your contacts right here. So if a person has just had an appointment at your location, for example at your barbershop, then you can just add that contact here and then you can just send them a request. So right here you will see that we have now added this contact. And now you will see that currently email review requests are disabled. So you need to enable them through this link right here. So if you click on that link, right here you will see this. So from here, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see email review requests. So here you want to go ahead and toggle this on. And now you will see this. So now click on save, and now here you will kind of see what it looks like. But if you click open email builder, you can then here create the actual email of what you want it to look like. So this is done automatically, but you just want to go and upload your own logo here and here, so that it actually shows that when you are sending the email. So click save right here, and then you can go and close this. So now if you click go back right here, and then click send review request and select that contact again, we can now review the request through email. So now if I click send review request, I will show you what that email now looks like. So right here I've got the email. Now of course you want to go and customize the way that this email looks like. So you want to add your own logo and stuff like that. But now they will ask, thank you for your business, would you be so kind to recommend us to your family and friends? So then if they click yes, it will then take them to the website. However, if you want this to be a different link where they can leave a review, then what you can actually do is go back to GoHighLevel here. Then what you want to do is click on settings right here. And from here you can actually choose what type of a review link you would like to add. So currently it's set to a custom link, but you can also do the get reviews on Google link right here. So then here you just want to enter the Google link. So I'll just open it up for this specific restaurant right here. Now in order to do it right here, you just need to connect your Google. So you can do that as well, but I just added the custom link here to this page where they can actually leave a review if you click write a review right there. So now if I click save here and try this again, you will now see see that if I open up this email right here, and then if the customer clicks on yes here, it will then take them right here where they can actually write a review on Google. However, you can also choose to lead them to a Trustpilot review, G2 reviews, wherever you want to have the review. You can simply add that link here in settings, in this section right here, custom link, and then just add the link right there. However, you can also choose to connect Google or Facebook reviews. So now here in the overview section, you will now see that I have sent 3 invites. You can see the reviews received is currently 0. However, if I leave a review, then this will also go up, and for example it's a 5-star review, then here it will show 5 stars. So it tracks that automatically. And now if you want to automate this process, you can see if you click on settings here and then scroll down a bit until you see email review requests, you can do the review request behavior. So when to send the email after check-in, it's now set to immediately, but you can also set it to 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or custom. For example, I'll do 2 hours. Now you can repeat the email if it is not clicked, for example after 3 days, and the maximum amount of retries, whatever you want to do, and then click save. So now basically when you have your calendar right here, if somebody has an appointment in this calendar, then for example if they have it today at 12 AM, and then I have this set up that it sent an email review request after 2 hours, then at 2 PM they will receive an email where they get a request to leave a review. So you then have that set up automatically. So that's pretty easy. You just need to make sure that you or your client, whatever business this is for, is using the calendar inside of GoHighLevel. And of course you can also connect different calendars, as you can see here in connection. So you can just connect your Google Calendar or whatever other type of calendar you use, so that you can also use that right here and send the emails automatically. So now you know how to use GoHighLevel for reputation management. Again, if you want to sign up to GoHighLevel, you can use the link down in the description. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.